The Tiger Who Came to Tea by Judith Kerr. Once there was a little girl called Sophie, and she was having tea with her mummy in the kitchen. Suddenly, there was a ring on the doorbell. Sophie's mummy said, "I wonder who that can be. It can't be the milkman because he came this morning. And it can't be the boy from the grocer's because this isn't the day he comes. And it can't be Daddy because he's got his key. We better open the door and see." Sophie opened the door and there was a big, furry, stripy tiger. The tiger said, "Excuse me, but I'm very hungry. Do you think I could have tea with you?" Sophie's mummy said, "Of course, come in." So the tiger came into the kitchen and sat down at the table. Sophie's mummy said, "Would you like a sandwich?" But the tiger didn't take just one sandwich. He took all the sandwiches on the plate and swallowed them in one big mouthful. And he still looked hungry, so Sophie offered him the buns. But again, the tiger didn't eat just one bun. He ate all the buns on the dish, and then he ate all the biscuits and all the cake until there was nothing left on the table. So Sophie's mummy said, "Would you like a drink?" And the tiger drank all the milk in the milk jug and all of the tea in the teapot. Then he looked round the kitchen to see what else he could find. He ate all the supper that was cooking in the saucepans, and all the food in the fridge, and all the packets and tins in the cupboards. And he drank all the milk and all the orange juice and all of Daddy's beer and all the water from the tap. And then he said, "Thank you for my nice tea. I think I'd better go now." And he went. Sophie's mummy said, "I don't know what to do. I have nothing for Daddy's supper. The tiger's eaten it all." Sophie found that she couldn't have a bath because the tiger had drank all the water in the tap. Just then, Sophie's dad came in. So Sophie and her mummy told him what had happened and how the tiger had eaten all the food and drank all the drink. Sophie's daddy said, "I know what we'll do. I've got a very good idea. We'll put on our coats and go to the cafe." So they went out in the dark and the streetlights were well lit and the cars all had their lights on and they walked down the road to their cafe. They had a lovely supper with sausages and chips and ice cream. And in the morning, Sophie and her mummy went shopping and bought lots more things to eat. And they also bought a tin of tiger food in case the tiger should ever come to tea again. The end.